Sustainability has become an area of increased focus for CPGs. As consumers increasingly prioritize sustainability in their purchasing behaviors, large CPGs like Cymbal are working hard to understand the environmental impact of their operations, as well as that of their suppliers. As part of Cymbal's snack division, Cookie Night is a global biscuit brand that can be found in lunchboxes, at sleepover parties, and in midnight snack runs across the world. Conscious of the decisions they make for themselves and their families, Cymbal's consumers seek out brands that align with their values of taste, health, and environmental friendliness. Consumers' increasing environmental consciousness means they're more aware of the impacts of palm oil, a key ingredient in many Cookie Night biscuits and other Cymbal products. Cymbal has conducted manual audits and obtained numerous certifications for their palm oil. However, as pressure mounts globally, the company is wary of marketing Cookie Night as a sustainably sourced product without sufficiently verifiable data. Cymbal knows they need greater transparency for their palm supply chain, starting from the first mile. To meet this goal, they've partnered with Google Cloud and adopted the TraceMark solution. Cymbal has set out to create a zero deforestation supply chain and is using TraceMark to support internal reporting and help keep their efforts on track. TraceMark relies on Google's geospatial expertise and technologies, like Google Earth Engine, a planetary-level platform for processing satellite imagery and geospatial data. Google Cloud's BigQuery and SAP on GCP help connect geospatial insights to the operational and analytic systems that Cymbal uses to manage their supplier network. TraceMark gives Cymbal timely sourcing alerts so that the company can respond to and mitigate risks quickly. This allows Cymbal's procurement teams to take a more inclusive approach to supplier engagement and allows them to help suppliers improve their operations rather than excluding them from Cymbal's supply chain. Cymbal's public commitments to sustainability are a board-level priority and are documented annually in their sustainability report. With the help of TraceMark, Cymbal has shown meaningful progress towards their sustainability goals, which has improved investors' confidence in supply chain and climate risk management. Now, let's take a look at Cymbal's palm oil story, starting from the first mile. Much of Cymbal's palm oil is sourced from East Kalimantan, Indonesia. While Cymbal historically has had fairly consistent traceability to the mill level, the relationship between palm plantations and mills has been harder to track. In palm-producing regions like East Kalimantan, there are often many mills in close proximity to each other, which makes traceability to the plantation challenging. TraceMark combines Cymbal's mill-level data with geospatial datasets in Earth Engine to more accurately attribute the palm plantations in the mill's catchment area. This allows Cymbal to approach their suppliers with a higher degree of confidence for potential deforestation associated with a given mill. When Cymbal suspects a plantation is participating in deforestation, TraceMark can compare historical land cover for the land surrounding the plantation with information captured by a recent satellite visit. This evidence can then be used as part of negotiations with suppliers to alter practices or exclude suppliers when deforestation has occurred. As the palm oil progresses from crude palm oil to more refined oils, it's combined with oils from other plantations, which makes it challenging to guarantee all palm oil in the supply chain is deforestation-free. This means Cymbal's first-mile efforts are critical for maintaining progress towards their sustainability goals. The palm oil's journey from the plantation to the mill, refinery, and factory has been our focus today. However, the product's journey continues on to the store shelf and through to the kitchen counter. Cymbal has worked hard to optimize their entire value chain with the help of TraceMark, as well as many other Google Cloud supply chain and CPG solutions along the way. As consumers search for the products that align with their values, Cookie Night's commitment to transparency and traceability in its supply chain makes it a sweet treat, not just for consumers, but for the planet.